My name is Anvi. Today I'm going to show you two activities. First, let's do the ABCs. You can explore your house and find the objects. You gotta find the objects what starts with each alphabet. Here are the objects what I found in the home. A is for apple. B is for book. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for Easter egg. I wonder what's in here. I hear like a rattle toy. Do you hear it? Let me open it up. A fish. E is for Easter egg and egg. So I found fish in my Easter egg. Fish starts with bloop bloop. G is for green ball. Ball is not ball, green. Just H is for heart. I found a heart shape. It is a sticker. I is for injection. J is for jaguar. Grr. K is for kitten. A lovely kitten. L is for lion. Roar! A lion. Yes, I'm a lion. M is for mushroom. N is for nut. I'm a nut. O is for orange. But I can't eat it like that and this. P is for princess. Q is for Q-tip. R is for remote. S is for spoon. T is for toot. U is for unicorn on my shirt. V is for virus. You might heard it in your home. Do you know why I'm staying at home? Because of the coronavirus. I want to show you some tips to stay safe. 1. Don't be near sick people. 2. Wash your hands thoroughly, singing 2 times a happy birthday song. 3. Cover your mouth if you're coughing. 4. Don't put finger in your nose, eyes, mouth. 5. Be home. W is for watch. X is for box. Box ends with X. Those are box. Y for yo-yo. Woo! Z is for zebra. I hope you like this activity. I want you to try it at home. I want to show you the second activity. I just told you when I was telling the name. There's 2 activities. The second activity is singing the song with letters. The name of the game is alphabet singing. I want to show you this game if you're feeling bored at breakfast. Your mom and your dad or anybody can play with you. I tell a word when I'm eating with my mom and my mom sings it. If I tell apple, she needs to sing a song with apple. I love to eat apple. Apple. Crunchy, crunchy. Mom's an avid otter, so I'll sing a song. I love to see an otter. My favorite is Dr. Seuss in this book. You can sing any silly song. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks, Miss Leland, for giving this idea. Thank you.